Let's watch the video.
Yes, great. What's the video about?
It's about breakfast in Turkey.
Okay, let's watch.
I'm Ahmet. I'm from Turkey. It's breakfast time. There's some cheese. I like cheese. I like oranges too. There are some olives. And there's some salad too. I like salad. These olives are black. I don't like olives. But I like bread. More eggs. Eggs are my favorite. Can I have some eggs, please? Now we can eat. Here are Mum and Dad. And my uncles and aunts too. Goodbye.
What about you, Tom? What do you like for breakfast?
I like eggs for breakfast.
I don't. I like bread.
Me too.
What do you like for breakfast?